Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you block user on TikTok. In order to block user on TikTok, you'll need to follow the simple steps. So here, what you have to do is open the TikTok application, log into your account. After you open up your TikTok application, then all you have to do is you need to tap on the profile that you actually want to block. For example, let's say this is a particular profile that I want to block. All right, I just need to tap on the share button at the left and right hand side corner, and there you could find these block options. Now if you go and click on this arrow icon, you could just swipe towards your right and check whether you'll be able to see the block or not. If you cannot find it on this page, then you need to visit their profile, tap on the three dot icon, or so let's see, this is the person that I want to block. So tap on the arrow icon and then you could find the block button on this page. If not, then you could simply go ahead and tap on this profile name, and then you could tap on the gear icon on the share button, and there you have these block. So this is the simplest way you could do it in order to block user. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.